Hey, it's Trey and welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are in my closet shelf because I wanted to unbox these Maison de Sabre bag charms. I got these during the Nordstrom anniversary sale and I normally don't spend money frivolously like this, but I'm currently in my bag charm era and I've also been wanting these for a while because they're so cute. So when I saw these on sale during the anniversary sale, and since I had a $100 gift card that I got from their survey system, and I hadn't been holding on to that for a while, I thought since they're on sale, this is the time to get them. They come shipped from the brand, not from Nordstrom, and this is what came in the package. And I haven't looked at it. Let's see. You get this like heavy duty card. It's gold foil. And I did get one of the Hello Kitty ones, so it came with this little card. Cute. Is this the receipt? I haven't. My husband took it up from the package, so I don't know what's in here. Okay, just kind of talking about their creations. Oh, okay, product care. All right, I'll read this later. They have different shapes based on the charm you got. Do you want to guess what I got? Type in the comments which charms you think I got. One of them is a Hello Kitty, which I think you can tell which box it is. And then this one, I think you can also guess based on the shape. Let's just start with the Hello Kitty one since that one's a little more obvious. Ta-da! Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Nice colored gold clip, swivels, engraved, embossed in the back. Okay, and then there's the zipper. Oh, it's caught on this foam thing inside. Okay, there we go. Okay, so the zipper is smooth. I decided to get the winking one. I don't know, I don't really have a preference. Okay, so there's the Hello Kitty one. And then, let's see if you guessed correctly. I also got the... Ta-da! The pineapple. Oh, it's so cute. I decided to get the pineapple. I was between the pineapple and the peach because I like both fruits, but also I'm Taiwanese, so I like my pineapple cake, and I just thought it was different. I also like yellow. And so this is also a little more oblong in shape, so I was thinking maybe I can fit more in it. It has the swivel. I also like the leaves and the detail. And if I'm paying this much for a bag charm, I want to feel like I'm getting a little more value out of it. And then you see it's like engraved on the side right there. Let's take this foam thing out. Okay, alright. Smooth zipper. Very good. These are the two charms I got. Super cute. Oh, this one says the brand name at the front. I guess because this one is Hello Kitty. It has the face on the front. It has on the back. Okay. Alright, so I figured these are intended for air tags, but I feel like the only time I'd use air tags on a bag is when I'm traveling, and I'd put that like on my suitcase, but I wouldn't hang these from my suitcase, and I wouldn't put it inside either because that's a waste of an expensive bag charm. So I was thinking I'd grab a couple other things to see what else fits in here that could be useful. Judging from the size that I can see right now that I've actually opened them, I have to cut down a lot of stuff. You can definitely... Just knocked my camera over. Sorry about that. Okay, so first I have a slip silk hair tie, which should fit. This is the normal size one, not the super chunky one, and the normal size one, not like their super mini ones. So let's see if this fits. So if you need an emergency hair tie that you want to discreetly put on your bag, that fits. And then let's test it out in Hello Kitty also. Actually, looking at them now, they're kind of... This is kind of egg-shaped, so it's more narrow at the top. This is like a true oval all the way around. So this should also fit in Hello Kitty. Cool. And you can just shove it in there. You don't have to like finagle it to get it to fit a little bit. Okay. All right. Oh. Oh, might be getting caught. Oh no. There we go. Okay, did I just ruin it? Okay, so you'll want to be careful and make sure it's shoved in there before you close it so that it doesn't get caught on it. Next, we'll try this Cocoa Floss Mini. This should fit. Oh yeah, this should definitely fit. So that's kind of useful. Emergency floss. Discreetly put in a super cute back charm. By the way, if you haven't tried Cocoa Floss before and you like to splurge, I actually really like it. This is something I don't mind spending money on because I just feel like it's super effective. I feel like I could not brush my teeth after using it. Of course I do, but that's how clean it feels after you use it. So yeah, fits in Hello Kitty just fine. I definitely thought that this would be bigger, but Hello Kitty definitely has a bigger size for putting stuff in. So I thought it might be helpful to have some emergency contacts, but judging by the size, I don't think this will fit. So these are the Alcon Total 30. Oh yeah, I don't think this will fit. Yeah, this will not fit. I'll still try it. Nope, I can't close that. Let's see if Hello Kitty can fit it. Maybe not. No, cannot. But I think that if you cut off this part, it'll fit. This part just helps you open it more easily, but if you are someone who likes to have extra contacts just in case, and you don't have anything else to put in your little back charm AirTag holder, you can try some contacts. I also have this mini nail cutter. It's like a baby nail cutter in case I need it. I don't think it'll fit though. Ooh, barely. No, that's gonna stretch it. Okay, so no. Yes, I cannot close that. Okay, so no to the mini nail cutter. Maybe you have a smaller one. Let me see how long this is. This is like 1 inch and 5/8, 5.5/8, or a little over 5 centimeters. So if you have something smaller, that should fit. This like barely fits. This will not fit in Hello Kitty either. And then I have this tiny tub of like lavender mosquito bite balm that I got from Taiwan. I don't think it'll fit though. I think it's a little too wide. Yeah, no. Okay, I'm not gonna force that. I don't think it'll no, it will not fit. Oh, yeah. Won't fit. So it looks like your best bet are hair ties and mini floss. And then maybe like band-aids if you fold them up. Maybe contacts if you just trim it a bit. That will definitely fit. Now I'm gonna look at these on some bags. Like I mentioned before, I am in my bag charm era, so I thought I would also show how these look on different bags. So let's start with the pineapple. And where I can put it. I'll just move this. Oh, so for bags like this that have a thicker strap and no obvious like loop for you to put them on, you can get like another ring from like another bag charm, or you can try like this. I don't really like how it looks over here though, because it's just like kind of off to the side. And since I have this Lila something on it, I would just hook it onto here and they'd be together. But since this is so big, it would kind of just be eclipsed by it. Well, maybe I can just move it in front like that. But I don't like how that looks. Okay, but I really got this because I thought it would be cute on this bag, which let me move these. So on this bag, because it's black, and I thought it looked good with the gold, and this matches pretty perfectly. It's like a very mid-tone gold, not super yellow, not super pink, just like a good average gold. And it has this loop, so I thought I love it. So I don't like using bag charms on this smaller bag because I don't like it when the charm is bigger than the bag, but to me this is quite perfect. Love it. And then let's just show Hello Kitty also. And these are pretty easy to get on and off. I will say, opening it, since my nails are kind of long right now, it gets stuck a little bit, but if you do it like quickly and move it to the side, it doesn't get caught. If you just like linger, then yeah, you'll get a little stuck. But this is how Hello Kitty looks on this small bag. See, these are so cute. I'm so glad I got the gift card and ended up getting these, because I browsed the Nordstrom sale a little bit and I got this black dress from Zella, but I think just with the way that it's cut, it just was not flattering on me. So I'm going to return it. Here's this one that's kind of like super charmed up. Oh, by the way, if you can crochet, Lex's Yarn Bowl has a free pattern and YouTube tutorial I use to make this Miffy hood for your Labubu or any other doll that'll fit. Or I'm also thinking about selling these on like Etsy, so if you have any interest, let me know and maybe I'll start up a shop. But they're super cute and fun. Okay, so this one also just has a massive strap that the charm won't fit on, but let's see if I can squeeze it in the zipper. This is a Le Sport sack bag, also Hello Kitty. Oh, you know what? Since it's Hello Kitty, for their 50th anniversary, let's see if this will fit. I don't think it will. No, it will not fit on the zipper, so that is a no-go. However, if you wanted to, you could clip it to the side, and this part, I don't like how that looks though, because it's like kind of hidden. So in that case, just I guess with any bag that doesn't have an obvious place to hang charms, just attach it to something else. Oh, and then if you're curious, this is a Hachi Poo one, but they've been out of stock at Pop Mart. This is a Uniqlo bag. It's their big one, and this one has a pretty big zipper hole. Oh, there we go. So this should definitely fit. Yeah, there we go. That's cute. And that will work as a bigger zipper pull if that's what you want. It fits. I don't know if I'd put it there, but it fits. And then just for fun, I have the mini Uniqlo one. So like a bag charm on a bag charm. This one's zipper is not as big, but maybe it'll fit. Let's see. Oh, it does. A little snug, but it fits. Yep. So if you want to put it on your mini Uniqlo pouch, it fits. And then of course it'll fit in these larger holes if you wanted to put it there. And then I have one more bag that I wanted to show, which is this Lulu pouch. This is actually my husband's. There's no good place to attach it. Maybe the buckle here? No, that's too big. Okay, so Lulu pouch is a no-go. This zipper, you cannot. You could attach it on the back zipper, but I don't know why you would. Back zipper does have a pretty big loop right there that it will fit on, but it's the back of the bag, so you won't see it. I guess if you wanted to have an air tag, that would be the place to put it. So it cannot be attached in a place that's visible from the front. This is older, so I don't know if newer models have a zipper with a bigger hole there. Okay, two more bags on the bigger side. This is a Longchamp big tote. You could put it on the zipper. I don't know if I like how that looks because it's kind of a long zipper, but you can, it fits. Oh, you might be able to fit it through there. That's a pretty big hole. Let's see. This is hard to get off now. There we go. But if you wanted to, you can. It fits. And I wanted to see if this will fit on the strap if you wanted to put it here. No, you cannot get it over the strap. And then if you have one of these Le Sport sack like big totes, at least this Pikachu Pokemon version one that I got a long time ago has this little loop here, which I didn't know what it was for when I got it years ago, but it's perfect for a bag charm. let's see how they look together. Yep, and they actually look cute together on this because of the colors. As I was cleaning up, I thought about one more bag to try it on, and this is a Le Sportsec one. I think it's called Jenny. It has narrower straps than the Hello Kitty one, so if you put it on through this folded part and then slide it down, it does fit. It is snug, and since it's wide, the clasp will want to tend to go out to the side. If you've made it to the end of the video, thank you for spending your time with me, and I hope that the showcasing, the demonstrating, and the info is helpful if you're on the fence about getting any of these charms. So this is my favorite pairing, and you gotta put Hello Kitty with Hello Kitty. I will say though, having this ring on the strap, it does fall a lot, which is annoying, but I like them together and I don't know where else to put it right now. And then just as a little reminder, you can fit these other things in them if you don't want to put an air tag. Anyway, hope that's helpful. Let me know if you want to get one or if you have one, if you have any other ideas of what you put in it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!